Model number ERF3J80H. Compatible brand. For replacement of Hisense Smart Android TV remote control with voice control. Size 17.5 cm by 5 cm by 2.5 cm, 6.89 inches by 1.97 inches by 0.98 inches. Quantity 1x remote control, requires 2x AAA batteries, batteries are not included. Top reviews from the United States. Same remote as my original Hisense remote, easier to use than many. Easy to use, has all the right buttons. So thankful I was able to replace my original Hisense remote. Quick and easy. Ordered a replacement after our old remote randomly stopped working. Came in the mail within 3 days, faster than expected. Put batteries in and it paired instantly with my TV. Great dupe. It was easy to program. All I had to do was turn the TV on and off. It resembles the original spot on and all the buttons work and correspond to the apps. Definitely a great buy. Replacement for Hisense 50. Works performs as original did. Timely shipping kudos as batteries were included.